Hey guys, it's Lane Morgan here, owner of Renown Cargo Trailers. I told you we would make it. When I tell you something, we do it. We are here at Barefoot Landing, South Carolina, Myrtle Beach Bike Week 2022. We're set out here with a bunch of other great vendors. We actually just met one of our old customers from Orlando, Florida, who actually bought a motorcycle trailer from Jeff Bramlett, one of my sales reps, and he did nothing but brag on you, Jeff. He talked about how you even met him on a Sunday when our business is usually closed, but you stepped up and met him on a Sunday. And that's a great thing about our business, man. God really has surrounded me with so many champions on our sales team, our marketing team, our option guys in the back. I mean, even to our drivers, everybody just goes above and beyond at Renown Cargo. And we always want to provide you with that best customer service, even after the sale, but before the sale and after the sale. That's what we love to do, is set ourselves apart and give you the best customer service. And it was good to just hear somebody brag on the business and brag on the quality of the trailer. Speaking of trailers, we brought a 7x16 up here that we're showcasing. It is black 080 polycore material. This is the new material that I've been raging about. This is the future of cargo trailers. A lot of people have been walking up, touching it, feeling it, and never seeing anything like it. So we have brought the future to Myrtle Beach Bike Week 2022 this year. So we're expecting to get a lot of feedback on it. We're expecting to get customers excited about it and take lots of orders on this new material. And if you look at this trailer, it is a black 7x16. It's got 080 polycore as the exterior. It is semi-screwless. We did the spread torsion axles on it, so that's why you got the spread pattern on the axles. It's got a blackout package. When you do your torsion axles, you get 11-year warranty, so instead of a 6-year warranty with the drop leaf axles. So you get a longer warranty and a smoother ride. And the reason I wanted torsion axles on this trailer is because my beautiful bike on the inside, I didn't want it moving or shifting. I wanted it riding smooth. And Jason Deems, one of my sales reps, brought it up here the other night. Thank you, Jason, for driving through the night. He pulled about a 14-hour drive there and back just to make sure we got it here. All of our team stepped up to get everything done. I'm so proud of them. And on the inside of this trailer, you can see we've got some silver walls, 030 aluminum metal trimmed out in black. We've got some LED light bars in the cove of the wall at a 45-degree angle. We got 3 on each side, 2 up in the V-nose. This is what you call a slanted V-nose on this trailer. So slants down, looks cool, just gives you a little aerodynamics. We've also got some E-track in the floor. We've got 3 straps of E-track. Our E-track is welded to the frame, recessed in the floor. Everything's trimmed out in black. We've got the rubber black tread plate on the floor and the ramping flaps. And then we've got the ceiling covered in metal as well and trimmed out in black. We've got an electric jack on the tongue. We've got an extended triple tube tongue. You always want to add an extended tongue if you're building a custom trailer. One thing it does, it helps you maneuver the trailer better. You can park it in tighter places. You can turn tighter and never have to worry about jackknifing your trailer or turning too tight and hitting it with your bumper. Material, man, this is black. If you know anything about a black trailer, it usually, I don't care if you use 050 aluminum, when it gets hot and cold, that metal will expand and contract and it will leave a little waviness in the trailer. Not with this polycore. We're eliminating the waviness. Nobody's gonna be riding down the road looking like a potato chip bag wrinkled up. If you put this polycore on your trailer, you will be satisfied. I've never been more excited about building trailers than I am now because I'm a cosmetic guy. I like things to look nice. I like for it to be tight and look nice. And with this polycore, you cannot go wrong. We've got our QR code on here, so if anybody's out here, walk up, scan the QR code. It'll take you straight to our website, tell you all about us. We are doing a lot of volume, as everyone knows. Right now, we're selling more trailers at a dealership than anybody else. We're doing about 400 to 500 trailers a month. give God all the glory for that, because none of us are even smart enough or talented enough to take credit for any of that. It's only God that's blessing us. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Craigslist, everywhere. If you'll look at the back, we covered the ramp and flat with RTP as well. It's just a nice trailer. I tell it all the time, people all the time, we're not the cheapest, but we are the best. My grandma used to say the proof is in the pudding. Everybody talks about all these bad trailers they got. Well, look, we're showing you ours. I want to see yours. We got the best built enclosed cargo trailer on the market. We're showing it to you right now, and guys, we can't wait to put you in one. Also, our warranty goes out to, we have an extended 10-year warranty that we offer you as well. It's a nationwide warranty. I don't know anybody else that's doing that in the industry but Renown Cargo Trailers. And also, we started a new program that is really good for us. Everybody knows that trailer prices have increased. We've seen more increases on trailer prices in the last year and a half than I did 10 years before that. But guys, we got a new program called Rent to Own. You can actually rent the trailer from month to month, but as you're renting it and making payments, you're actually putting down money towards the principal of it, and you're able to actually own it one day if you want to. So it's a great program. You can get in some trailers for as little as $300 signing up, and then depending on the size and the cost of the trailer, but I know that you can get in a 6x12 for as little as $300 when you sign up. So guys, thanks for watching our videos. I'm about to get my motorcycle out and take this beautiful girl over there, Donna, on a ride and show her all about Myrtle Beach. And y'all just stay tuned. We're going to be filming. Thanks for watching our videos. Check us out online at renowncargotrailers.com. You can call our 1-800 number, 188-287-3954. We're on TikTok, Facebook, all over the place. You shouldn't be hard to find us if you're looking. But guys, we can't wait to see y'all soon. Come check us out here, Barefoot Landing, Myrtle Beach Bike Week 2022. We will be here until May the 22nd. So guys, we got a little over a week. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna show people a great trailer, and we're gonna go ride some motorcycles and meet some cool people. Y'all, thanks for watching our videos. We'll see you soon. Y'all know the rest. Until then, y'all be blessed.